Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and your daily update, of course, on Bitcoin. We'll do a full update on what to expect today. I mean, usually Sunday/Monday, and that transition or the beginning of the week is usually a time of a lot of volatility. I also wanted to make an update, kind of talking about the unrest in the world, so what's happening in Israel right now. Any effects of that on the market, if it will have any effects, and where could that go. So basically, I'll try to prepare you as well as possible for this market opening this week. What we're seeing right now is that the volume is still relatively low, like it's down about 50% since yesterday. It has started to go up a little bit since this morning, but I expect it to, in the next 24 hours or so, I expect it to go up by another 3 or so billion. So you can do the math yourself. I mean, that's going to be a lot of movement, all right? If you put $3 billion on top of 6, that has price impact, so we'll talk about the possibilities from there. Before we dive into that though, if you want to receive my own trades as signals, I'm a profitable trader, then consider joining the premium. The premium group is built to actually make you a better trader as well, while making some profits. So if you're interested in that, consider joining. Links will be down in the description or in the pinned comment. But now onto Bitcoin. So first of all, about the economic situation, there's basically nothing important until Wednesday. Then we'll have the FOMC minutes. That might be a little bit important. It's always less important than you expect, the FOMC minutes. But on Thursday, we have the inflation rate and initial jobless claims. That's going to make the market move. I'll keep you updated on that, but for now, that's not needed. For now, the main thing to talk about is the situation for Bitcoin right now, which is bullish, but it's bullish, but it could go both ways. All right, it depends partially on how the dollar strength index opens, and that's at a major support. So if that starts to go up, then that would be quite bearish for Bitcoin. And then we have to kind of assess what the situation and the unrest in Israel means. Does it really mean something? Is it really that big of a conflict that it will affect the entire Bitcoin markets? I mean, obviously, for the people there, it's a huge conflict, and it's everything they can think about at this point of time. But we're talking about Bitcoin, and I'm not sure if it's going to have that much of an effect. And even if it will have an effect, then you could go two ways. The first one is, well, there's more unrest. So financial assets and risk on assets are more risky, and that's why it would drop down. On the other hand, you can also say, well, Bitcoin perhaps is starting to become more and more like a safe haven. Like Bitcoin also went up a lot when we had that small banking crisis at the beginning of this year. So the effects could still go both ways. So I still think that the main answer lays with the technicals in this situation, all right? Because what we're seeing right now is that, well, first of all, Bitcoin has been very volatile both ways. So it's difficult to interpret what's going to happen with Bitcoin, but the overall direction for Bitcoin has been up, all right? You can see with the EMAs, for example, the EMAs actually paint quite a clear picture, and that's basically that we've been in an uptrend since the beginning of October, at least since the 29th of September, to be honest. So what we'll probably see today, and that's usually how the volatility goes, is that Bitcoin will test its main resistance, which is between 28,400 and, well, 28,400 really is the main resistance, but it's kind of between 28,400 and 28,700. So it's going to test that in the next 24 hours, and if it's able to break above, let's say 28,600, because I think that's enough. I don't think Bitcoin needs to break above 28,700 because it hasn't even broken above 28,400. So if it gets a breakout there, I would say it's most likely that it will continue up to 29,200, which is the next price target, the 0.618 fib. So we'll see, all right? This is what we'll see today, because Bitcoin will test that level. If it's not able to break above that in the next 24 hours, then that's quite a big bearish confirmation, and I would expect a drop down to at least 27,400/27,200 again, but that could also be bearish confirmation for more bearish momentum later on in the week. So that's what we'll have to see, all right? I cannot do a prediction of Bitcoin will go up or down because there's too many uncertainties. So we have to rely on the technicals to gain some sort of confirmation, and once we have that, I'll be back. All right, but for now, that's my take, and that's everything you need to know about Bitcoin. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.